Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another advent calendar unboxing to share with you. And I've got the Look Fantastic and Stylist 12-day advent calendar. Woo! Got little drawers there. It costs £100. If you are a subscriber to the Look Fantastic monthly beauty box, then you're able to purchase this advent calendar for £85. And it has a value of £311. All details and everything related to this advent calendar, plus any other advent calendars they have on their website, including, I believe, some of them are half price. That might only be available for a short amount of time, but you'll find them down below in my description, as well as the code to use if you are a subscriber and you're interested in this calendar for yourself. You'll find all that down below. This calendar was kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it. I'm on Look Fantastic's PR list, so I'm really grateful that they send these out to me, so I'm able to share with you. So let's get on to opening up day number one. There's a little quote here. It says, "At Stylist, we're committed to sifting through the beauty hype to find products genuinely worth the precious shelf space." That's exactly what you'll find in here. Our curated edit of incredible formulas we truly swear by. Okay, so in drawer number one, we've got a product by Ren. Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. Brightens and smooths, and we've got 15 mils here. Now, I've recently received this in a different box, or an advent calendar, I can't remember now, and I've yet to use it. But I remember when I first saw it, I thought, ooh, brilliant, brilliant. Brightening Dark Circle Cream. It does sound amazing. This rehydrating lightweight eye cream brightens and smooths skin to reduce the appearance of dark circles. Dark circles appear reduced. Skin is more even, hydrated and radiant for bright, firm and fresh looking eyes, suitable for all skin types. And to use AM and PM, gently massage the cream onto the under eye area and eyelids with your fingertip until fully absorbed. So you've got an eye cream by Ren, Clean Skincare. Day number two. We've got a product for your hair, and this is by Grow Gorgeous Intelligent Hair Care. This is Intense Thickening Hair and Scalp Mask, and we've got 30 mils there. It says, following thickening shampoo, apply to the lengths of damp hair, massage the product onto the scalp, leave for 10 minutes, and then rinse thoroughly. It's got a hair mask. Drawer number three. Ooh, something heavy. We've got a product by Earle, and this is the Cleanse and Polish Hot Cloth Cleanser. This is the starter kit. Deeply cleanses and gently exfoliates for radiant, clearer looking skin. Effective, ethical and kind. Cruelty free, and has naturally active ingredients of cocoa butter and eucalyptus, and there's 100 mils here. I love this cleanser. I absolutely love it. And the fact it's got a muslin cloth in here as well is brilliant. So you've got a cloth and you've got a full-size cleanser. Yeah, it's really nice and creamy, feels amazing on the skin and smells gorgeous as well. It says, this multi-award winning British beauty icon leaves skin looking clean and glowing, used in partnership with a unique pure cotton cloth for an all-in-one cream cleanser. So there's that. Day number four. Oh, we've got some supplements. These are by MyVitamins. Hyaluronic acid contains 150 micrograms hyaluronic acid per serving, and there's 30 tablets here, and these are vegan. I've never seen supplements, hyaluronic acid supplements before. You take one a day, and there's 30 tablets inside here. And yeah, I'm gonna have to look on the website for more information about that, because there's nothing on there. Oh yeah. Hyaluronic acid supplements. So hyaluronic acid from the inside out. Day number five. We've got a product by Shiseido, and this is a power infusing concentrate. I love this. I absolutely love it. And we've got 10 mils here. So this is a serum. Very pricey serum. Very pricey. But oh my word, it makes my skin feel absolutely amazing. You only need a tiny, tiny bit as well. So I'm really happy that we've got a little one of these, because it will last quite a while. But it's just a nice little travel size, isn't it? What is there? 10 mils. I'm not sure if I've already told you. Yeah, what's it say? It just says it contains Generation Red technology. But yeah, gorgeous little bottle, isn't it? Yeah, happy with that. Day number six. Ooh, we've got more than one item. Yeah, we've got a mascara, and oh, we've got a Caviar stick. I love these. Mercier Caviar stick, and this is in Amethyst. These are so handy, really handy to create smoky eye looks. And yeah, Amethyst is lovely. It's like a gunmetal purpley grey tinge. Can you see there? I have had this one before, but a couple of years ago. So easy to just draw a line above your lashes with your finger or with a brush, just buff it in, and you can do it underneath your eyes as well, just to create a really quick smoky look. Yeah, I do really like them. And we've got a mascara, and this is Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is their most iconic product, definitely. I fell in love with it years ago, and yeah, I still use it now. Although I have fallen in love with a iconic London mascara. And yeah, completely different brush, which surprised me. That one's really small and hardly any bristles on it, but it just works wonders on my lashes. But yeah, this one's completely different, but I do really like it. I really do like it, and it's a nice travel size to be able to take away with me. So all these little minis I put in a little box, which is kept under my bed, so if I go away for the weekend or a night, etc., then I know I've got all like travel sizes, so I can downsize my makeup and skincare. Got a Caviar stick by Mercier and a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Day number 7. And we've got an Elemis product. This is a Superfood Glow Priming Moisturiser, and we've got 60 mils here. Now I've already got one of these, so I will be passing this on, but it is quite glowy. It is really glowy. It is beautiful. It feels lovely on the skin. You only need a tiny bit. But for me personally, I end up applying it just to the outer areas of my skin. I don't put it in the middle. So I tend to use it more as a primer than a moisturiser. I use a separate moisturiser and then I apply this on top. I just tend to blend it in around the corners here and my cheekbones. I leave the middle because it's quite a glowy formula and it just accentuates my very large pores, which I don't want to do. Yeah, it's an Elemis product. I love the brand Elemis, absolutely love it. So I'm going to pass that on because I've already got one. Day number 8, we've got a perfume. This is Flowerbomb by Viktor and Rolf, and we've got 7 mils here. Now, Look Fantastic do the most gorgeous limited edition scent beauty boxes. Oh, they are stunning. The latest one I think is my favourite by far because it contains my favourite ever perfume, Yves Saint Laurent Libre. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it, and I've got a big bottle behind me. Look Fantastic bring out these scent edit boxes every couple of months. It costs £55 and inside you get a mixture of little perfumes like this, and this was one of them. I'm not sure if it's in the latest one or the one before that. I think it's the one before that. And then also you get given a £55 voucher then, so then you can use it to purchase any of the full-size versions of these little miniatures. So yeah, I think it's a fab idea. I think it's really lovely. I can't remember what this one smells like. I think, yeah, it's nice. It's just a little bit too sweet for me. Can I tell you anything about it? Nope. No. But yeah. Flowerbomb by Viktor and Rolf. Day number 9. Ooh. Rituals candle. I love Rituals. Absolutely love it. This is a balancing meditation candle. And it just says, illuminate your path to inner harmony with this luxurious scented candle. For a 1-minute candlelight meditation, prepare your space, turn down the lights, light the meditation candle, position it at eye level. Maintain a comfortable upright posture, stare at the candle for 1 minute, allow the image of the flame to occupy your mind, let go of your thoughts. I love this. I love it. But what's it smell of? Nice red jar there. Oh, that smells gorgeous. It smells really lovely. What is in it? What is in it? Tells you on the bottom there. The Ritual of Ayurveda. I've got a body cream in this range. I've got a hand cream in this range. Possibly shower gels. Yeah, I do really like this one. Oh, got a Rituals candle. Day number 10. We've got BareMinerals, and this is the Skinlongevity Long Life Herb Serum, and there's 8 mils here. Full of strength and resilience, free of visible signs of aging, vegan, cruelty-free and tree nut-free. That's what it looks like there. What else can I tell you about him? Applied to face and neck after cleansing, AM and PM. So we've got a face serum. Day number 11. We've got a product by Pi, and this is Light Work Rosehip Fruit Extract Cleansing Oil, and there's 100 ml here. It's a nice big bottle. Our customers requested a cleanser that made light work of heavy duty makeup. The brief, gentle on skin without compromising on efficacy, no rubbing, no eye stinging and no palm oil please. This rosehip powered oil glides over the skin, lifting away every kind of impurity. Even stubborn waterproof mascara is politely sent back in. Got a cleanser. Last day of the advent calendar, day number 12. And we've got a product that's bubble wrapped. This is by Oskia London, and this is a Renaissance mask, Nutri-Active Brightening and Resurfacing Mask, and there's 50 ml here. I'll open up and show you. I've used this a few times on my skin. I've had little samples, and the Oskia cleansing gel as well. Bright orange. I do really like that as well. I don't think I've tried much else from this brand though. Apply a good layer onto dry cleansed skin and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Gently wash off with warm water. Can be used 1 to 2 times per week, depending on your skin type. Do not use on irritated skin. Discontinue use if irritation occurs. So yeah, so day number 12, and we've got an Oskia London face mask. So those are all the products inside the Look Fantastic and Stylist advent calendar. The cost of the advent calendar is £100 or £85 if you are a Look Fantastic Beauty Box subscriber, and it has a value of over £200. I love that it's got a rituals candle in it. I absolutely adore rituals. We've got some well-known brands, Elemis, Pi, Ren, Oskia London, Earle. I love that. I love that we've got a starter kit in there as well. I think that is really, really lovely, and the fact that it is a full size version. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this advent calendar? Have you bought it for yourself, or are you watching this wondering if this is for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.